Alright, on today's episode, we're going to be welding the 54-inch LED mount straight to the cage of the Ranger 2019 Ranger. On our last little fun time out, we flipped the vehicle and the trees keep hitting the mounts and stuff, wiggling it all apart. So we're just going to weld it with our Lincoln welder 180 MIG. And stuff. We're using flex core on the MIG itself because I do not have $300 for an airgun tank to be filled. So we're gonna do that. I already notched the metal a little bit there. I scratched it so you can see the metal straight through the paint there. So the bead catches both pieces of metal better. And that's it, and I just grounded it to my mount here, my door mount, and we're gonna start welding. See how it goes. Okay, ready everybody? Wanna do this? Well, okay, so the top is done here. We're gonna take the grinder later and grind the bead down a little bit more to make it look nicer. Then we're gonna give it a coat of paint. Now we're gonna start on the bottom here, on this little corner here. I'm gonna take my Dremel with a diamond tip blade on it. We're gonna start scraping. So now you can see metal shining right through it. So now the bead on the MIG, it's gonna stick to it, to the metal. So we did the beads for the top and the bottom. Now we're gonna grind down the beads with our Bosch grinder. Little 5-inch cutoff wheel. Gonna grind it down and then we're gonna hit it with a coat of black paint. So it's much better, more smooth. It's not gonna win any show prizes for welder of the year or anything, but it'll work for now. No one's gonna see it because the door is gonna close. It's gonna press, the weather strip's gonna press right against here, and you'll never see the bead or the weld or any of the paint. So I'm gonna take a wire brush right now. Wire brush it a little bit, scuff up the paint, get any slag off of it. That's it, we're gonna apply some paint. I'm only doing this because the rivets that I put in here, they got loose after, you know, flipping it and hitting so many trees on the trails. Over time it got loose, so I just put some spot welds, we welded it. We're gonna paint it, then we're gonna continue on the other side. Okay, found some Cryon rust tough paint, rust prevention paint, black, gloss black. I'm gonna use some of this on that corner. Got myself some cardboard and spray it on. And that's it. So we're done here. We're gonna move on to the next side. Then we're gonna tighten up the 54-inch LED light bar. And we're gonna go test it out.
Smells horrible.
It smells good. Listen, I'm gonna put another coat. I'll tie rivets. Good. All right, guys, we finished welding the mounts, painting everything. Took the bolts out, put a lock washer and blue thread light lock on it. Now it's solid. The light, the 54-inch curved LED bar. And that's it. Now we're gonna go for a ride and test it out and see what else we could break on the trails. All right, guys, have a good one. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you on the next one, guys.